Hey guys, in this video I'm going to assume two things. Number one, you have an e-commerce business or you're thinking of starting an e-commerce business. And number two, you have a Shopify store or you're thinking of using a Shopify store to run your e-commerce business, which is great because with Shopify, you can easily expand your e-commerce business to a global market. Now, in this video, we're going to look at 9 key apps that are free that you can use in your Shopify store to begin to make it more profitable for you. Now, the first app you need is a currency converter app, right? Like I said, you want to scale it to a global market. And the one you should go for is called the Beast Currency Converter. This is what I've used for a few of my stores and it hasn't failed me yet. Number two, because you're in Nigeria, you can't run TikTok ads at the moment. Well, maybe you can using a VPN, but I strongly suggest against that. So because of that, just focus on running Meta ads. And that's where you want to get your digital marketing app, which is the Meta app. So with this app, you can create your pixel, you can connect your Shopify catalog to your Meta ads manager. The reason why I like this is because you create a Shopify specific pixel, you have your Shopify catalog, you connect those two together. When you run ads, your ads naturally will perform better because these two platforms sync data and sync information with each other better because you've connected them. Now, the third one is WhatsApp. I've said this on a few videos on this channel, how important WhatsApp is for Nigerians, right? We do almost all our conversations on WhatsApp. If it's not WhatsApp, it's a phone call. If it's not a phone call, then it's Twitter or X, right? And to get your WhatsApp app, you want to use an app called CTX. So CTX, you then see something like WhatsApp chat and marketing, all of that. It's a free tool, so go for it. Number 4, even though I have a very strong bias against this, but email marketing. Now, I have a strong bias because I don't think Nigerians read emails. Again, is my personal bias. Don't come for me. But yeah, Shopify actually has a fantastic email app and it is free. You know, obviously you have Klaviyo, you have MailChimp, you pay for those. But Shopify's, what's it called now? Free email app is actually free. Now, it's not completely free. There are certain thresholds you will get to where you will have to pay. But to get to those thresholds, unlike MailChimp and Klaviyo, it is very, very, very affordable. So for running email marketing campaigns, which I believe you must, even though I think there's a personal bias that Nigerians don't read emails, still send out emails. So the 5th one is product badges. You basically want to use product badges to kind of do some form of social proof for your business that, oh, your business is a legitimate business, your business is trusted, things like that. So a typical product badge that a lot of people use is money back guarantee. Another one is fast checkout process. Another one is payment on delivery. Another one is secure payment transactions or something like that. You have a lot of product badges that you can use, and the one that you can use is SEO Ant. Now there are other ones you can use, guys. There are other ones you can use. Just so you know, this particular image I'm showing you guys is part of the EMBA program. If you want to join the EMBA program and learn everything about how to start an e-commerce business from 0 to 100 million, check it out. So now let's move on. The next one you want to look at is data, right? Data analytics. And when it comes to data, I know a lot of people don't like that word, and I don't blame you. I get it. Looking at numbers kind of gives me a headache as well, to be honest. But you don't have a choice. Part of the journey of building a successful business has to do with data, right? And one of the favorite tools to use for an e-commerce business is Google Analytics, right? So once you click on Google is the name of the app. So it will give you access to YouTube, it will give you access to Google Analytics where you can set it up. It will give you access to the Google Merchant Center as well. Just like you have product badges, customer reviews kind of helps with social proof. For the app itself, there's an app called Judge Me. So, wow, don't judge me, please. But yeah, that's the name of the app. And it's pretty good. A lot of people use this app locally and internationally. And yeah, you can use it as well. To be honest, it's not every e-commerce business that needs customer reviews. If you have invested a lot in your social media presence, where you know, ideally you have your customer reviews on your social media pages, you have people that do POV and testimonial videos, stuff like that. You might not need to put a Judge Me Reviews app into your e-commerce business. Now, let me also say this here. It's not by force you have all the 9 tools I'm talking about or 9 apps I'm talking about, because if you have too many apps, they make your website lag a bit, especially if you're using a free theme. Now, depending on the kind of e-commerce business you run, if you are running a dropshipping business, obviously you need a dropshipping tool, right? A dropshipping tool that will pull products from AliExpress or Alibaba, or wherever it is you're pulling products from, to your store directly, and then also help you with the purchasing and all of that. Ideally, you have DSRs or DSRs, however it is they pronounce it. You have CJ dropshipping, you have AutoDS. AutoDS is paid for. The next one is a dropshipping support system. So a dropshipping support app would look like something where you can pull reviews, pull images, get feedback, things like that. Obviously, the initial dropshipping tool can do all these things. However, most times you just want a support tool to help make the whole pulling thing easier, cleaner, and let your store run smoothly, right? So Ali Reviews and Judge Me are actually quite good apps that you can use for this. Now, when it comes to dropshipping in Nigeria, I've actually spent more than $10,000 on dropshipping, right? And if you want to learn how I did it, watch this video here.